There you go.
Just off.
Man.
Yeah,
Of course.
Not gonna do any faster. Maybe just
Yeah, dude. Appreciate
light
you
up my arm.
I'm not sure where to go.
Yeah, right? JD's back.
Sick.
All right, I'll have you stand right there. How's it going?
Good.
Sweet. Cool. All right, couple things.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's the one you'll clip. When you're down there, we're gonna lower some rings to you. Take that off, clip into the orange ring. Once you're clipped in, yell up to us.
Will do.
When you jump, that's the arrow I want you to follow. Just jump that way.
Okay.
With your left hand, I want you to hold right there. And we're not quite ready. We got about 15 seconds.
Gotcha. No rush.
But how you feeling?
Pretty good.
Yeah? Feeling like
I've had the feeling
$1,000,000?
I wanted to jump off a cliff for a while, so this is the best way to do it.
Me too. Yeah. Best way to do it twice.
Exactly. Okay.
Sorry. Is this thing recording?
It is.
Hi, Mom.
Mom's right there. Mom's over somewhere, so she's actually here to watch. I'm not sure where Mom is.
She's over there. Where are you from?
Tennessee.
Tennessee. Yeehaw.
Nashville.
Okay, cool. We're about ready to go. So
All right.
I like to start right there.
Okay.
Take 2 big, strong steps,
All right.
and then you're ready to go.
Hey, Michael.
Oh yeah, skydiving is.
I want to cry. Oh my God. Oh, Michael Wilson is gonna die. Oh my God. Holy shit. Woo! Oh, man. I'm shaking. I'm in! Wow, just look at this place. How could you even imagine that I'm doing this right now? It's so quiet. Here I go up. We did it. That's the craziest thing I will ever do in my entire life. 100%. Oh man, my adrenaline is going crazy. Oh wow. Oh man. Where else can you do this? Almost up. System here that pulls you up. Very cool. Very cool operation. was insane.
Nice job.
Oh man.
Keep on walking up. We'll get your head on this side of the rope. Yep, perfect. Nice.
Oh.
That was awesome. You
Count.
really just went for that. No
I
hesitation.
was shaking. That was insane.
What? It's not. You don't do that on the daily? Cool.
Whew. That was crazy. Oh man, Wilson. You won't even believe how crazy that feels.
It's hard to explain.
It is. It is.
Oh, and you're not hurt.
You
Probably
think?
was a good feeling once you hit the bottom.
Yeah.
Kind of swing.
Yeah. It's very fun.
Man.
She already jumped.
That was proper.
All right, Wilson. Yep.
Yeah, 100%. Have you gone? No, not yet. Oh, man. You ever done anything like this?
No. Yep, just like that. Yep. That might be a tiny bit small.
Doesn't fit.
You got a big old head.
Oh, so we don't. I got a 50-pound brain too. All right, smash that on. Okay, perfect.
There you go.
Does that feel good?
Yep.
Okay.
Nice and tight.
Nice and tight.
You want to do the crowd surfing thing?
Oh yeah.
You guys
Oh,
want
sorry. Okay.
a lot more crowded 10 minutes ago.
Cool.
Go Wilson!
Where are you from? Yeehaw.
Do you want me to get an angle? And then you get the GoPro?
Yeah, I'm actually 30 withholding, so vertical is fine. Thanks.
All right, dude, how we jumping? Okay, sweet. So for that, I want you to just hold right there. Cool. Yep, that'll be perfect. You can use both hands, one hand, whatever feels best for you. Rope is right here. I want you to jump off that way.
Falling for like 2 seconds.
And then when you're down there, we're going to lower some rings to you. They're going to land in your lap. That's when you use this yellow rope, unclip from your harness, clip into the orange ring, and then yell up to us.
Okay.
Tanner, will you come reset the haul line? Or Taylor. And yeah, you nervous?
Yeah.
You should be.
Cool. We're about 10 seconds from being ready.
You got it, buddy. You're doing great. So fun.
All right, and then I like to start right there, and then just take 2 strong steps off the edge. We're ready to go whenever you are. You ready?
Yep.
Hell yeah, brother. You want to count down?
No.
Cool. Silent killer.
Are you with us? Are you still there, Wilson?
We're ready to go whenever you are. You ready?
Yep.
Hell yeah, brother. You want to count down?
No.
Cool. Silent killer.
Oh,
Are you with us?
yeah, he screamed a little bit.
Are you still there, Wilson?
Go whenever you are.
Yeah, he's kind of a silent fear.
That's awesome. I got a really good shot.
Sweet, thank you.
Carabiner, so that little thing smacked me in the hand.
Yeah.
I was not expecting it. It just came out.
It,
Boom. I was like, oh shit.
Usually that will, like where it's taped, will stop it, but it just fell. Yeah, it seems like. Yeah, they were lowering. So if you lower it while you're out there, it lowers really slow, but if it gets lowered too while you're swinging back in, it's really fast.
Yeah.
And that's what happened.
Oh, did you get a little hand slammy?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it came down and smacked me in the hand, and then it popped back up, and it came down and hit me in the helmet. It's just like, where is this thing? at?
Get wrecked, nerd.
We were all watching. We did it on purpose. We're like, hey guys, watch this.
Yeah, depending on where you're at in the swing. So when you swing back out, it'll pull back up. Just because.
Oh yeah, just set it there. Here, I'll come help. Okay.
How was that?
Great.
Amazing?
Yeah.
You crushed it, dude. You step back here a little bit? Yeah. Nice work, dude.
Wilson.
Good stuff.
Proud of you. Good job, buddy. Is that fun? Yeah. I'm not crazy. Hey.
Let's get to this
What do you think about it?
Fun.
Wouldn't that
Wow.
insane?